up to 30 watts of fast charge. So let me just turn over the package so I can show you the 6 charging coils that are in this charging mat. So as you can see here, the area where it charges the phones, it has 5 coils all intertwined together so that no matter where you place your phone on the mat, it's going to charge it and you're not going to have to wiggle it around to find the sweet spot. The 6th coil you see here is for the Apple Watch. As far as compatibility, the Slicecharge Pro will work from the iPhone 8 all the way to the iPhone XS Max. For Samsung Galaxy phones, it will work all the way from the S7 to the S10 Plus. And it should also work with other devices that work with the Qi wireless standard. As far as the Apple Watch, it will work with the Apple Watch Series 1, as you see here, all the way up to the Apple Watch Series 4. Alright, so enough with all the specs, let's go ahead and unbox this guy and see what you get inside the package. Alright, before I go any further, I do want to mention that I will leave a link down below to where you can buy this product. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox the best AirPower replacement charging mat I have found out there. The Slicecharge Pro with 6 coils in its wireless charging mat. So here we go, let's go ahead and unbox it. And this is actually the first time I see it, so I'm going to give you guys my first impressions as we go along. Looks like you get a user manual. And I got the white version. There's 3 different colors you can choose from. I believe it's black, gray, and the white that you see here. I went with the white just because it goes with the whole Apple theme. Alright, so let's go ahead and take it out. And it's actually quite light. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be. It's actually longer than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be a little bit shorter, but it's actually quite long, as you can see here. I'm just gonna hold the iPhone XR for comparison, as you can see here. And there we go. And this is the best AirPower replacement you're gonna find out there right now. The Slicecharge Pro. So taking a look at the back here, this is what it looks like. As you can see here, this is where the Apple Watch charger is gonna sit on the other side, and you can go ahead and push it forward to make it stand up, just like this. So that when you're charging your watch, you can still see the time while it's charging. Okay, let's take a look at what else is in the box. And this is the charger right here. It just says Hard Cider Labs on the side. And it's got a USB-C charging port. And on this side it has the electrical prongs. So this prong is a little bit hard to take out, but you're only gonna have to take it out once, so it should be fine. And on the side here, it just has a rating for the AC power adapter.